Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add contacts in Zoho CRM. Contacts are essential for managing relationships with clients. So let's get started. Now the first step is to go to the contacts module. Before you do that, you have to log into Zoho CRM, and to do so, just go to your web browser and search for CRM websites. After the website appears, enter your account credentials, or if you haven't logged in yet, created an account yet, just create one. You can even link it to your Google account. Now, after logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. After that, click on the contacts model in the left hand sidebar here. Click on it. And for the next step is to add a new contacts. Click create contacts here and fill out the contact details such as name, email, phone number, and company. You can even add some additional informations like lead source, last name, vendor name, etc. After that, link the contact to an existing account if applicable. Now, after you fill in, make sure you fill in all the this informations. After you fill in the informations, you have to go to the third step, which is to save and organize your contacts. After doing your modification, click on save right here on the top right corner to keep your modifications. Use tags or notes to keep the contacts organized. And that's how you add a contact in Zoho CRM. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.